Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Subaru WRX Limited. This is an all-wheel drive. Super clean. Let's go ahead and trot that down, take you for a tour. Let's have LED headlight surrounds. Painted alloy wheels, dual exhaust. This one is a standard transmission. Has a sunroof, black leather seats with red stitching. Let me give you a shot of that van. These front seats are heated. Also has the Harman Kardon sound system, which someone's got going. I'll go ahead and turn that down so you can hear a little bit better. Come over here and you see that it has 1,595 miles on it. You have AM, FM, Sirius, XM, and Bluetooth. There's your navigation and your apps as well. To see the backup camera, we just put that in reverse. There we go. You also have carbon fiber accents. Very, very cool. Come over here. You've got your infotainment center controls on the steering wheel. You also have push to talk as well. Push button start. And of course, there's your sunroof. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was impact damage on the driver, front, and passenger sides. And then it was also reported in the rear here by the trunk. As you can see, we've got it all fixed up and it has passed our 150-point inspection, the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.